Cookie Monster riding motorcycle today. Me ready. Whoa! Holy cow! Me pretty good at 2 wheels. Cookie Monster can even drive backwards. All this driving is making me hungry. Feed Cookie Monster. Thank you. More cookies, please. Just give me the whole bag. Cookie driving on full tummy. Oops. Wow! Ow! I didn't see that bench there. Full tummy. Must drive nice and slow. Nice and slow. Why am I speeding up? Ow! So full, but can't refuse more cookies. Oh boy. Oh, did not go as planned. Me really need bike helmet. Oh no, not the hill. Oh, Cookie never drive full ever again.
Click on one of these pictures to see another funny Cookie Monster video, like Cookie Monster driving in a cozy coupe, or on a Power Wheels Lightning McQueen car, or eating Play-Doh. Thanks for watching and have a great day.